Okay, Sammy, we're going to have some marzipan. And then it's fine. But normally he would sneeze after that. I'm worried that his tongue's like getting a little bit swollen or something. But you think it won't get on the side of your mouth, darling? Of course he's not going to sneeze this time. Sammy, give your spoon back. You're not going to actually sneeze, are you?
You just finished now?
Just keep on going.
Keep going? Okay.
A little bit, just in case it suddenly does.
Typical.
Cheeky monkey.
He totally knows what I'm doing.
Can you smile for Leonie? Smile for the camera. Can you smile for the camera? Where's your cheeky smile? See how he's breathing funny and holding his tongue funny. So you're not going to sneeze. Hello. Okay, done.